on me. So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.
In a time where there was one girl, she was short, and she was hiding behind her boyfriend. It is Danielle! What's up, guys? Today is a new day, a new vlog, so I want you guys to just smash that like button right now if you guys are excited. We are going to the doctor again. Remember I told you guys they messed up our results, but both of us had like vitamin D deficiency, so it's already given. So we're gonna see what else. My thing, well, Daniel thing came up with cholesterol problems and all that stuff.
That's your thing.
Yeah, which they say might be mine. So we're gonna find out today what's gonna be the real thing. So we're gonna find out, bro. We're gonna find out. Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
You're looking cute. You're looking cute. You're looking cute with those shoes. Look at the shoes.
Get off my tool. Guys, we just made it out the doctor's office.
Yeah, we're not dying.
We're not dying.
My cholesterol is still high though.
So he needs to start eating fast food.
Yeah.
That's what the doctor said. And guess what he wanted to eat this morning? Fried chicken and waffles.
Damn right. I don't know. You ever have that feeling when they tell you not to do something you want to do it? Yeah, that's
wrong.
Yeah, that's what's happening right now.
Well, my thyroid is still bad, so I'm back on medication.
She's back on the meds, bro. And I'm just, you know.
He's on no meds.
No meds. Doctor say, yo, you want some meds? And I said, no, sir. Me not take no cholesterol pill. No, that's stop. So I was like, no, I'll control it. So next time we see eye to eye.
Next time, after he feels for chicken and waffles.
Yeah, chicken and waffles.
No more Popeyes, no more chicken and waffles.
But that's the thing, I don't eat Popeyes or anything like that.
You just said you won't eat Popeyes.
I said I would eat it right now though. Like I'm gonna feel like right now I have a crave for chicken and waffles. You guys have a crave for chicken and waffles?
I have a craving for chicken and waffles.
There you go. Chicken and waffles is the shit. If y'all don't know,
yeah.
Now you know.
I wanted to go to this place called Granny B's.
Granny B's.
But guess what? Now we can't go because Chad can't eat it.
Yeah. So
that's so lame, bro.
Yeah, we do have the trip coming up right now, so
we're gonna have Chad's gonna pig out that weekend.
I'm gonna pig out that weekend.
Say he has to eat good right up until.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to eat healthy right now, but why am I telling him I don't know if we can do it, you know? I don't know if we can do it. You need to do it because then you can go on medicine. Get this. We got tomatoes. Woo. Hello guys! Guess what? We just came back home. Look at it, look. Come look at this. Come look at this.
Come inside.
Come look at this. We just came back home. There was like a thunderstorm outside, and then Daniel just like kind of knocked out for like 15 minutes, so we just came back home. Well, what do you
expect when there's a thunderstorm outside?
Yeah, and then now we did some cleaning. We did some cleaning. We're gonna do a little bit more cleaning, but before we do that, we're gonna cut some videos.
Yeah,
we're gonna be productive because we're going to the trip next week. So you know we need to cut.
You only see the top of my head.
Yeah, no, you can see you. They can see you. We're gonna do 2 videos, one to drop them for Sunday and then the following Sunday. Got it?
Got it.
Got it. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna cut some videos. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful girl right now. We're gonna go take her after that. We're gonna take her somewhere. I'm gonna tell her where we're gonna take her. I'm gonna take her somewhere. She said she wanna go like Ross or one of those places. We're gonna see where her goes, or maybe her Target or something like that. She 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 like that. Look at her, guys. Look at her. Look at her. Eating like a munchkin. Look at that. Look at that. That was leftovers that we had. Cheesecake. Running with the cheesecake. Running with the cheesecake. Running with the cheesecake. Running with the cheesecake.
Chad's not eating his because he's being bougie.
Yeah. Like I said, guys, I'm on that diet. Yeah, we just cut down a video, 2 videos a while ago, one for this week and one for next week, because we're gonna be on vacation. So you have to plan. Remember, if you want to be successful in life, guys, you have to plan ahead. It's the only way that you're gonna be successful. It doesn't come overnight, so you have to plan. Let them know, Daniel. Let them know. Let them know. Look at her, not even paying attention. Back to what I'm saying, guys. If you really want to be successful in life, you have to plan ahead. And don't think it's gonna happen overnight. You're gonna be obstacles in life, and you're gonna reach a point where you say, "Hey, yo, screw this, whatever, blah blah blah." Yo, just stay focused and eye on the mission. I is on the mission. Get it? You get it, babe?
I got it.
You got it. You got it.
I'm not warming up your food because I gave you the chance to warm up your food and you didn't want me to.
You basically no need to eat. Guys, I don't eat, don't consume, I do not evacuate food.
That makes no sense.
Alright, we are going to what's it called later? We're gonna go to Target, we're gonna go look what we need to do really, we're looking to get another couch, guys. Or we're thinking about getting a leather couch. Because for the dogs, for the kids.
Ones.
Huh?
The L-shaped ones.
Yeah, for the L-shaped. Yeah, one of those L-shaped, nice L-shaped ones. Because we've been preening some couches, I'm like, yo, them couch have a shot in our house. You see me? So that's what we're gonna do later today. We're probably gonna go to yeah, like I said, Target, Ross, the way I go. And then after that, we're gonna just touch road, Dust Road, Cliff Road, Bun Road. You said we'll put a little gasoline on the road and we'll burn that. What do you call that? Bun Road.
Oh my God. Hi guys.
Hello!
We're back on the road again.
Back on the road again.
I changed, Chad didn't change.
I didn't change, I just put on about the same shirt I did the first video with. So, yeah guys, because I don't like to wash. Oh.
Yeah. Chad put clothes in the washing machine and did not put them in the dryer.
Forgot again.
Now they're gonna smell bad.
They're gonna smell like Danielle.
That's good. Dirty bitch.
Guys, the weather sucks, yo. Like
It's rainy.
It's been raining for like past 3 hours, and then now it's clear skies, and then it's still drizzling. Why?
And we're going to Target.
And we're going to Target.
Our favorite store in the
Danielle's
world.
favorite store.
Can you stop repeating everything that I'm saying?
Nah, man, you repeating me.
I'm not repeating you.
Guys, we are here, and I guarantee you that Andrew and Bradley, they're here too. They're wearing slippers. I guarantee it. They're wearing slippers. About to find out.
Hello.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Slippers.
What's wrong with slippers? They're comfy. You just hate my slippers, don't you?
You were dissing me for wearing slippers.
Shut up.
I don't know what's going on right here.
Yo, my toes on point. Look at them toes. I get them
Oh
done.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you have to say? What do you have to say?
I can walk with my toes because they're on point. I get them done.
You're taking L's, bro.
How am I taking L's?
Slippers out the road. No. Guys, meet my favorite sections. My favorite sections. It's all dolphins. Dolphins.
Can you buy me this?
Dolphins.
I'll wear it to the game.
What you give me, I'll go.
To the game. Yes.
Starbucks, guys. Thanks to Dad.
Yo, cut that shit off, bro. Stop. No, look,
Dad sponsors.
32, single, making money, and I got no woman.
Guess what, guys? Came back in the car, and we are at Best Buy because Andrew said he wants a PS4. Look at her. Look at her. Drinking her whole life away.
It's me.
Hey, it's you. And it's me. It's you. It's me. Yeah, I kind of boost up Andrew's head to get a PS4. Because he's talking about, yo, I want to play Fortnite. Can't play Fortnite. And he sucks. He sucks at video games. I don't know why he's going to buy a video game.
Cause he's single, girls. If you know any girls that he's what, 33?
He's 33. 32, going to 33.
He has a good job.
Yeah, he's rich.
He's not.
He's rich. He got money.
He has money.
Yeah, like he got money.
Stop.
He got money.
We're not trying to find a gold digger. We're trying to find a nice young lady.
If you want to you want to be a sugar daddy. If you want a sugar daddy, comment down below. I want a sugar daddy, and you can take Andrew off our hands. Way downtown, walking fast with these kids.
Hi.
So we're currently waiting on Andrew. He went to go donate blood. Guys, look here. He has 7 minutes to make it. Can he make it? Look at him. He's running. He's running. He's running. 7 minutes to buy a PS4. Watch him. Watch out. He just gave blood. Look at him. It was a collapse, bro. Yo. Giddy yo. Kitty cow, cool cow. Blow. Do do do. To the B wow. Cow wow. Da la la la.
Guys, I'm so hungry and it's like 10:40 p.m.
We just got back from mommy. We just went to go hook up Andrew's PS4. The boy make it in time. Surprisingly.
He got there at 5 minutes to 9.
Yeah, like.
And it closed at 9.
Yeah, I thought he wasn't gonna make it, but he made it. Surprisingly. What was I gonna tell you guys? I'm
hungry.
She's hungry.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry and I'm super tired. Like it's just 10:30 and I want to sleep. It's cause we stay up late. I play a video game.
Exactly.
Damn Danielle's fault.
Damn fools.
Damn Danielle's fault. We actually got 2 shirts. One was for Bradley and one was for me.
And I got 0.
Yeah, Danielle didn't really find nothing. I don't know. It's because it was back to school. There was nothing our size. Small. There was no small shirts. And I wear small. Bradley wears small too. Danielle, she wears small. Extra small.
I don't know what to eat right now because I'm like, I don't want to be a whale, but I'm hungry. Like, how do you go
She's
between
hungry.
the two? I could eat like a juicy hamburger right now.
No, but they can't eat that. Cholesterol problems, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you know what we're gonna eat?
Air?
Ear pie.
I can't
Ear
do
pie.
that. I don't have cholesterol.
Oh god, I just got hiccups now.
I'm going.
That's your fault.
That's what you get from eating that air.
Yo guys, I don't know if I want to knock out. I was gonna edit tonight, but I'm saying nah, this not gonna work.
Guys, it's 10 o'clock.
On the dot,
And
on
I'm
the
on
drop
drop
top,
Cruising the streets.
cruising in the streets.
I got a real pretty
Why his eye look like he got a knock in my eye? Look at that.
Let me look it.
Are you trying to get me pink eye?
Let me look it.
I'm gonna put that as a title. My girlfriend gave me pink eye.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Yeah.
That was a good idea, guys. Comment down below. That was a good idea.
So I don't know what to eat right now.
She don't know what to eat right now. She wanna
like
be
a
my
good
shorty back. Ooh, 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 ooh.
That's not how the song goes.
For real.
But like, for real though. I could
No, what you
eat like
gonna
a cow.
eat?
I don't know.
What about some tuna?
I don't want that.
You know what that? You know what
No, I eat that all the
You
time.
eat the tuna all the time. You could add some tuna and some water crackers. That doesn't taste nice.
No, because you bought cinnamon. He bought cinnamon water crackers. You don't eat cinnamon water
Oh,
crackers.
you have
with
some
tuna.
cups. I could eat that or no?
No.
Cup
Cholesterol.
Cup noodles.
Cholesterol.
What about the ramen? I'm looking at the ramen. You could have
No,
the ramen.
I don't want that.
I know you could have the ramen. The ramen is good for you.
No, it's
You
not.
need to have the ramen.
You're gonna have
the ramen-
sodium.
You're damn right. I'm gonna have instead of I'm going to have blood pressure. Yeah, you gonna give me blood pressure. I'm so hungry, but
You're not hungry. You just said you're not hungry.
I'm not really hungry because you know what the problem is.
You yam too much.
I kind of ate too much breakfast. That's the problem, and I feel like if I eat now, I'm gonna be overheating, and I don't want to be overheating because when you overeat, you overheat.
Guys,
If you know what I mean.
No,
like
they
you
don't.
overeat to you overheat.
they don't know what you mean, bro.
To you start have ear hiccups. The probably said what the fuck is he saying? Like what the hell is he
I know,
saying?
guys. I know, but it's okay.
Sorry
I
guys.
know.
Today my brain is like on E.
It's because you want to sleep. Because you stay up like you're young,
I know.
and then you're not so young again.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
You're so tired.
I need to get some rest because you know that when the trip comes, we're going to be partying out the trip.
Not me.
We're gonna be a team no sleep.
Not me. I'll sleep.
I know she's probably gonna sleep until like 12 o'clock every day, and you can't do that because when we go the first day, we gotta wake up. This is what I'm talking about. Look what I'm talking about. She yawns every 5 seconds, guys. She's yawning every 5 seconds. Look at her eyes. Her eyes is pure lady right now. She wants to sleep.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so we got a good day planned tomorrow. We're gonna wake up early and
Not so early.
we're gonna make a mission to go to the gym though, because if we don't go to the gym,
I don't like the
we're gonna
gym.
be failing. We're gonna fail our day if we don't go to the gym.
If you fail in, what you must do?
If you fail, you must always fail forward.
That makes no sense. Every
If
time
you fail forward. You don't make sense?
No.
If you're failing, at least try to fail forward.
What? That's the dumbest
If
thing.
you guys understand what it means, y'all know what it means. Comment down below if you know what it means. If you don't know what it means, too bad for no.
Okay, guys.
I know this was a nice spicy vlog for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know you guys love us right now.
You do love us, and we love you.
We love you guys. Like, we appreciate it. We're gonna do another giveaway probably next month. Watch this yawn again. We can't do it, you know.
I can't help
We
it.
can't do it.
I
We
can't
can't
help
do
it.
it.
I have yawning syndrome.
Alright, guys. Right here, we're gonna put all the notification gang, notification squad. If you're part of notification gang, you gotta comment down below. Notification gang, you wanna be a part of it, so subscribe.
Bang,
You can smash the like button. Yeah, you know, just turn on the like button. And you know, we appreciate you guys. I know, in already at time when I go by my heart, smash the like button. We love you guys so much. We love you guys. We love you. And
We are
hard.
Tell me